This right here is seasoned fried bean curd. It's for making Inari. This product in Japan, so you know it tastes great. It's great quality. So this is the stuff that you go to the sushi places and you pay like $1.50 per piece. And you usually get like 2 pieces, so it costs like $30. But all it has is like seasoned rice inside of it. So this is kind of like the skin that goes outside. So just get a huge pack like this. It's like $12. And then you can make your own Inari and just like have fun and get full. All right, cheers guys. So we got some sushi seasoning here for the rice. That's gonna go really well with the Inari, or season the Inari. It's $3.99 for 355 mils. But check this out. So this is Mizkan brand, right? What do we got over here? We got a huge ass bottle of 710 mil for $4.69. And this rice vinegar for $3.99. So I'm definitely gonna go for like 70 cents more for this huge 710 mil. I mean, that's like, it's literally double the amount for like 70 cents more. Okay, what we've got here is some cooked rice, and then you've got this sushi seasoning. So for every 4 cups of cooked rice, you add 5 tablespoons of sushi seasoning. Once you've done that, I'm gonna add it into the Inari sheets.